Now that we have an idea of what linear search is, let us go ahead and write our C program to perform linear search. I have written 4 important steps of this program. The first step is to read the contents of the array, and then we also need to ask the user to enter the element that we are searching for. So read the search key. Once the search key is entered, we need to iterate over all the elements of the array and determine whether the key is present in the array or not. Finally, display the result of search operation, whether the search was success or failure. Let us begin with the first step, that is read the elements of the array. Let me first ask the user to enter the total number of elements. Now I am going to create an array which is going to hold n number of elements. The next step is to read the elements of the array. We have already learned that the best way to read the elements of the array dynamically is using a for loop. This completes reading of the elements of the array. The next step is to read the search key. So let us declare another variable called as the key first, key, and then I am going to read the value of key. Here I have read the contents of the array, and here I have read the search key. The next step is to iterate over the contents of the array and search for the presence of the search key. I am going to iterate over the contents of the array using a for loop, and then inside the for loop I am going to check for each element of the array. Remember, in each iteration of the loop, array of I represents the different elements of the array. Initially the value of array of I will be the first element, then it will be the second element, and so on. So I am going to compare array of I to key. If the value of array of I is equals to key, then I can print that the element has been found. Element found at %d. Remember, arrays are 0 index, so the first element will be at the 0th position. When printing, I can say element found at position d, and the value of the position will be I plus 1. Once I found the element in a particular position in the key, I need not proceed with the for loop. So I can simply quit the for loop by typing a break statement. As soon as we found a match, we no longer need to continue searching for the element in the array. That is why the break statement. The statement, this whole block of statement, will iterate over each and every element of the array, and it will check whether element of the array is equals to the key. As soon as it finds a match, it will print that the element is found at position %d, and then it breaks from the for loop. We also need to print that the element has not been found. In order to do that, we can maintain a variable called found. I'll maintain an integer variable called as found. It is just going to act as a flag. Initially, I'll set found to 0. Found is 0 means the element is not found in the array. And then inside the for loop, if array equals to key, as soon as I find a match, I will update the value of found to 1. The value of found equals to 1 means the element is found in the array. It simply acts as a flag. Found is 0. If the value of found is 0, that means the element is not there. If the value of found is 1, element is present in the array. Finally, after iterating over the entire contents of the loop, I'll check what is the final value of found. If the value of found after completely searching the array, if the value of found is still 0, that means the element is not present in the array. Else I can say printf element found at position I plus 1. Okay, this should be the display result of the search operation. So I'll just write the comment over here. The fourth step is done over here. This completes our linear search program. The logic is simple. This is the whole part of the linear search. You're iterating over each and every element of the array using a for loop, and you're comparing each element of the array with the key. And if there is a match, then you set the value of a flag called found to 1. And then based on the value of found of this flag, you decide whether the element is found or not found in the array. Let us go ahead and execute this program. I'll enter 6 elements. And then the element to be searched, I'll give it as 12. Element is found at position 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our linear search program. Let me execute the program once again and search for an element that is not there in the array. I'll search for the element 5. It displays that the element is not found in the array. This is how a simple linear search program works.